This is the XINGDI electric ratchet that is available up on eBay for $40. It's a small, powerful, and durable electric ratchet that won't break the bank and will get the job done. I first discovered this electric ratchet on TikTok. I'm not sure the exact TikTok user that I found this electric ratchet from, but the guy bought it off of eBay for $40. For that price, you really can't go wrong with at least trying it out. It came with 2 batteries, a charger, and a carrying case. I use this not only at home, but every single day at work. I work in the collision repair industry, so this thing has really been put to the test, and I absolutely love it. And no, by the way, this is not a sponsored video. This is my honest review. There won't be any sort of link down below, so that way you know that it is not a sponsored video. This is my honest review. It's small, lightweight, and portable. It has a small little on-off switch so the thing won't fire as it's just sitting around, or if it happens to be rolling around while you're traveling with it, it won't just fire up. And then it has a small trigger button. You press the trigger and the thing fires up and goes. I've had it for over 8 months now, and this thing is such a champ for especially the price point. $40, you can't go wrong. And especially with the competition selling theirs for $80 to even $100. For 40 bucks, 2 batteries, a charger, and a carrying case, you can't go wrong with this thing. The one drawback that I've had with mine is when I go and put the battery in, the little tabs that hold on to the battery, they broke. So whenever I put a battery in it, I have to put some tape around it, and that's kind of a pain, but really it's no big deal. Speaking of battery life, using this thing all day, every single day, I'll have to charge it every 3 to 4 days. The battery life is spectacular. However, I have noticed that when I first got it, the first few months, I didn't charge it for at least a week. I kept going and going and going with it, and slowly the battery life has declined, but that's the only bad thing about it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video on this ratchet. If you have one of these, let me know down below what you think. If you're interested in getting one, let me know if you go through with it and how your whole ownership experience is with it. Thank you so much for watching DNA Drives. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing down below today. We do product reviews just like this, DIYs, anything car related. So if you like cars, this is definitely the channel for you. And we have a FRS, a Chrysler 300 SRT, and a 2016 Hyundai Genesis Coupe. All 3 of those cars on the channel. Big plans for all 3 of those cars. Definitely please subscribe today. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video. Until next time.
It all started when a met another and they met another and they became the trio. The end.